Hello everyone, I'm Jeff Tucker, Product Manager for the Personal Productivity Group here at GitLab. We're going to take a look at our 17.11 milestone plans this morning. We've got two key themes for the milestone. First up, we're going to continue addressing user feedback and quality issues on the new to-do list. And we're also going to begin user testing on the personalized homepage prototype that we built in the last milestone. Before we talk about what we're doing next, a quick recap of what we had shipped in last milestone. We have updated our UX scorecard for the to-dos list to reflect our own internal assessment about the maturity of the experience to provide guidance for the work that we're going to continue to do. We shipped bulk editing for to-dos. So if we head over to my to-do list here, the Mark All is Done button is now gone in favor of the standard multi-select behavior that we have across the product. So I can select multiples of these and then say, I'm going to take care of these in 1 hour. And now all of them have been updated and drop off my list. We also had a host of small UX fixes on the to-do list itself. This one here was one of the more challenging and problematic defects where if you resolved everything on the last page, you would just get stuck there. So we fixed it so that now you jump back to the very first page and we've got a MR to follow up to refine it to make the experience feel a little bit better. And lastly, we completed our initial iteration on the prototype for the homepage concept. So I've got a version of that up here we can take a look at. Zoom in a little bit to make that more visible. And you can see here, this is all live. This is all using real data. You can see the to-dos that I had just snoozed. If I reload here, fetch all that data, those are gone now. So we've got our latest to-do items. We've got everything that I'm assigned, issues and merge requests. We've got my recent activity and the activity of the people that I'm following as well. That just came in, I believe, this morning. And we've also got quick links to the items that I have recently viewed. So this is going to go out for user testing to try to get some initial feedback on it so that we can fix any outstanding issues before we move into longer term diary testing. That's going to be the focus of the design group during this milestone, is recruiting and conducting this validation study. We've also got Austin working on ensuring that our pages look good in dark mode. We've got guidance from the design system group on how to go about completing those audits, and he's been working through all the settings pages that we own. And he's also going to be spending some time thinking about navigation. We had a lot of feedback on the new navigation experience, that launched back in 2023, and we want to figure out a way forward to make the experience better and more seamless for our end users. On the development side of the house, most of our focus is going to be on refining the to-do list experience. So we've got some feedback to address on the new bulk editing that we just shipped about making the bulk edit bar sticky and better clarifying the UI for those bulk edit actions, and then just continuing to work through some of the feedback that we received on our feedback issue. So if you have other things you'd like us to address, please pop into the feedback issue and share your thoughts. We're also going to continue looking at the to-do counts issues. We have a whole sort of suite and class of defects around this that we're going to look to address and hopefully improve upon with the new notifications infrastructure that Gosha is helping lead the charge on. That is everything for this milestone. Those are all of our plans. So if you have any thoughts or feedback, please reach out. We're happy to chat.